Hello everyone, Vlad here. Welcome to my Affincome Training Kit by Larry Kearney. And right now I'm inside of members area of Affincome Training Kit. And during this video I'm gonna give you a training of exactly what it is. So basically, guys, this is a training course about affiliate marketing. We're gonna teach you everything step by step, how to begin affiliate marketing, how to understand affiliate marketing. Because most of us know what affiliate marketing is, but we don't understand it. And the point is, in the basic is, once we understand something, it will be much easier for us to implement everything. So guys, if this is something what is interesting, you stick with me because I'm gonna go into more details. And of course I prepare some awesome bonuses for those who like to pick this up through my link, which is down below in the description of this video. But before to jump in my bonus page, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below in the comment section and click the notification bell. So guys, if you click down below in the description of this video, this will gonna bring you on my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you click on one of these orange buttons, this will gonna bring you on the sales page, and here you can pick this up. But you have to pick this up before this countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because when this countdown timer hits 0, all the bonuses which I prepare for you are gonna disappear. And of course I don't want you to miss that, because those bonuses are gonna give you a huge advantage with Affincome Training Kit. So let's jump on the bonuses. The bonus number 1 is the Boomerang Body Pro. The bonus number 2 is YouTube Super Traffic Hack. The bonus number 3 is Access Continuum done for you. And the bonus number 4 is 10k email manifesto case study. Guys, here all those bonuses are going to give you a huge advantage in affiliate marketing. And of course the bonus number 5 is all vendor bonuses. So if you click on one of these orange buttons, this will going to bring you on the sales page, guys, and here we're going to see a lot more information about the product, and here you can access the training. And now let's see what the sales page says. So here we have looking for financial security during this pandemic crisis, uncover the closely guaranteed secret to instantly propel yourself into the big leagues as a hotshot affiliate marketer, and see boatload of commissions flowing into your bank account. Azure training videos, pandemic proof profit solution, affordable price. Yeah guys, in here we're gonna see what you're gonna get. You're gonna have here 14 chapters. So the first one will be what is affiliate marketing, Warrior Plus overview, JVZoo overview. We're gonna teach you how to use those platforms, ClickBank overview, how to find affiliate products in any niche, very important, how to choose best affiliate offers. This is also very important, because guys, if you don't know what offers to choose, right, and if you want to promote a product and that product is bad, no, and but you don't know that because it's at the beginning of the journey, and this will gonna, you're not gonna have that good feedback, right? If you have already some sales from that bad product, they will gonna want to refund, and once you're gonna have this big refund rate on your Warrior Plus ID, for example, this is very bad for you. So the important is to choose your products what you are promote wisely, and they will gonna teach you how to do that. The chapter 7 is how to promote products on Warrior Plus, how to promote product on JVZoo, how to promote product on ClickBank, best selling niches on ClickBank, how to find bonuses for affiliate offers. This is also very good. How to use CB engine. And chapter number 13 is how to promote products on Amazon, and the last one is how to do niche research for your Amazon affiliate blog. So guys, I think this is over. If you are a newbie, right, and if you don't know how to begin all this affiliate marketing, this is the best product what you can begin with. Like, purchase this training course, go through the training, implement what they were going to teach you, and you're going to have success sooner or later. But I think if you are implementing everything they're going to teach you in this product, there's no reason why you can't have success, right? So let's go in the prices and upsells. We just have the front end right here, which is $17.95 and $29.95, and you're gonna have access to training and Affincome Training Kit software and training modules. I think this is a very fair price for everything what you get, guys, because just think about, you just pay, let's say, $30, but you're gonna have access to all my bonuses, which are free of charge if you pick up the front end, which is $18 or $30, which is very reasonable price. You're gonna have all the training you need to understand a business, guys, and this is not so easy, right? Once you understand this affiliate marketing, you can begin your own business. You have to be consistent with your business, and once you are consistent and you understand what you are doing, you're gonna have success. But the point is, you don't have to give up if you don't gonna have immediately results. Like if you implement everything what he's gonna tell you here, and you don't have to expect in 1 month you'll be millionaire, because it's not so easy. You have to be consistent with this, but if you are consistent, I'm gonna promise you, you're gonna have results. So guys, right now I'm gonna show you the members area. It's not so much about it. I just have access at chapter number 1, what is affiliate marketing. Like this, we're gonna show you once you come here. You have your login details. You can even download the video by Larry Kearney. You can leave a comment here, submit a comment, and kind of that's it, guys. It's not so much about this dashboard. It's pretty easy, but once you're gonna buy the product, you're gonna have access to all the training you need. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and click the notification bell. See you in the next one. Ciao.